With Rex Markets, Ricochet is creating and maintaining a next-generation decentralized exchange that supports automatic real-time dollar cost averaging on Polygon. Ricochet's Rex Market contracts use Superfluid for streaming tokens, Teller Oracle for getting prices, and other decentralized exchanges for liquidity. By combining those three powerful systems, Ricochet Exchange enables individuals and organizations to invest their capital into and out of crypto assets in real time. Let's look at an example of how Rex Markets work in practice. If a user wants to open a USDC stream into a Rex Market with the intention of dollar cost averaging into Ether, they first have to wrap USDC tokens into USDCX super tokens, an ERC 777 version of the token, which gives it the ability to be streamed using Superfluid. Note that since Rex Markets are two-way, a user may do the opposite and stream Ether into the same Rex Market contract and receive USDC. Once a stream is running, the stream funds begin accumulating in the Rex Market contract in real time. The amount of funds accumulated depends on the volume of streams going into the Rex Market. But let's say, for example, that in a span of 20 minutes, 125 USDC and 0.04 Ether, worth 100 USDC, have accumulated in the Rex Market contract. In 20-minute intervals, Ricochet's keepers now trigger the Rex Market distribute function, which initiates a series of actions. First, a small percentage fee is taken from the accumulated tokens to cover Ricochet's expenses for development and growth. Next, and assuming zero fees, 0.04 Ether and 100 USDC are swapped internally to save exchange fees, and the remaining 25 USDC inside the contract is swapped to 0.01 Ether on other decentralized exchanges. This leads to the contract now having 100 USDC and 0.05 Ether, worth 125 USDC. Lastly, the USDC and Ether are distributed to users proportional to their stream rate, zeroing out the balance of the Rex Market contract. USDC and Ether then begin accumulating again, and the cycle repeats itself within each new distribution. That's all there is to it. Since you now have a better understanding of how Rex Markets work, what's stopping you from beginning your journey with automatic real-time dollar cost averaging? Visit app.ricochet.exchange and open your first stream today.